Hello class R, I'm here with Fred and we are going to have a go at doing the Share It challenge, aren't we? From this week's Learning Grid. So what I've got here is I've got Fred and two more helpers. We have got Trevor and Doug. And the challenge was you need to be able to share, got that Fred? That means equally splitting into little groups. Yes, you're right. I would like you to share some of the sweeties we've got between Doug and Trevor. Do you think you can do that? Right then, Fred. I've already got an amount out of the packet. Could you put them into the whole section for me? Right then. And do you know how many you've got in the whole? 4. Yeah, you've got 4. So, Fred, your job is you need to split them, you need to share them fairly between Doug and Trevor because they're arguing and they can't do it themselves. Okay? One for Doug. One for Trevor. You think you finished? Well, you've given 1 to Doug and 1 to Trevor. You say it's fair because they've got the same. You're right, but you haven't quite finished because there are still some sweeties in the whole section, Fred. Go on then, finish it off. You think you finished now? Do you want me to check it? Right, so there are none left in the whole section, which is good. And you've shared them into 2 smaller groups, and we just need to check it's fair still. You've got 2 for Doug, 2 for Trevor. Think you've done it? So 4 shared by 2 is 2. Well done, you're right. Right then, Fred. Think I'll make it harder. Instead of 4, let's have some more. Right then, have a look how we've got now. Maybe you were clever enough to notice how many more went in. There were 2 more than before. Fred, first you've got to work out how many's in the whole section, okay? We'd like to count on. Okay, so there were 4 and now there are 2 more. So put 4 in your clever head and count on 2 more. 5, 6, 6. So Fred, you need to share out 6 between 2 bugs. Can you do that? Off you go. Oh, I think you've done it. Is it fair? Doug's got 4 and Trevor's only got 2. Is that fair? No, it's not. Can you get some more out of the packet? No, you can't, Fred. You had 6 and you've got to be able to share 6. So you've just got to share them differently. Okay, so try again. Let's do one at a time. You're going to maybe take one over. Well, we think you've done it now. Okay, check that it's empty at the top. Well done. You've not got any more. And Doug's got 3. Trevor's got 3. Well done. Fred, one last challenge. What if you wanted some and we only had 6? Could you split it fairly between Doug, Trevor and yourself? Right, there are none in the whole. Doug's got 2. Trevor's got 2. Fred's got 2. Well done. See if you can do the same at home and maybe even some of the challenges.